The president responds to canceled health care plans. Good evening. This is CTV News. I'm Denise Douglas.
And I'm Patricia Malone. Thank you for joining us tonight. Well, it has been 6 weeks since President Barack Obama rolled out his affordable health care website, and things have been rough. Today, the president openly admitted that he was not aware that the website wasn't working like it was supposed to. Obama has come under pressure after millions of people received cancellation notices from their insurance companies.
Already, people who have plans that predate the Affordable Care Act can keep those plans if they haven't changed. That was already in the law. That's what's called a grandfather clause that was included in the law. Today, we're going to extend that principle both to people whose plans have changed since the law took effect and to people who bought plans since the law took effect. So state insurance commissioners still have the power to decide what plans can and can't be sold in their states, but the bottom line is insurers can extend current plans that would otherwise be canceled into 2014, and Americans whose plans have been canceled can choose to re-enroll in the same kind of plan.
And the president says despite the many problems, more than 100,000 Americans have successfully signed up on the website in the last month.
Also, Patty, overall the numbers are low. Only 1,200 Marylanders have successfully signed up for Obamacare of the 106,000 Americans who've enrolled. The websites for people to sign up for insurance as part of the Affordable Care Act have been plagued with problems. But there is some good news. Several local organizations are trying to help more people navigate the process. They will have experts on hand during an event on Saturday to assist you in understanding and picking the plan that's just right for you.
It gives them an extra hand. Just like you or I, if we were sitting down and I know me, I would like to actually speak with someone and say, okay, tell me about these plans. Tell me exactly how they're going to benefit, which one is going to be better for me and my kids and my husband. So,
how many people are you expecting out?
We're expecting at least anywhere from 80 to 100 people. And we have navigators and assisters on hand to assist them with their choices of choosing a healthcare plan.
The event will be held from 11 in the morning to 3 in the afternoon on Saturday at Prince George's Community College. As the death toll continues to rise from Typhoon Haiyan that hit the Philippines, local efforts are underway to try and help those who survived. The parishioners at the Filipino Seventh-day Adventist Church in Oxon Hill are holding a fundraiser and collecting food, clothing, and other goods. Some of them have family that were close to the area that was hit, but no one that we talked to had any loved ones directly affected. Still, they say they feel the pain and the sorrow from the loss in the country.
It was horrifying, and it's very painful that it happened to my family and my country people. And right now we have flooding of supply and goods held from other countries, but it didn't go through on my own town yet, on my own city. And so that's why I come forward and ask for help for everybody.
I don't want to miss this opportunity to give the chance of the people in this area as well. Even we are very few in this location, but I'm not underestimating the support that we can extend to them. Regardless of the amount that we can extend to them, it will be, I believe, a big help for them right now.
The latest death toll has risen to just over 2,200, but aid workers say the number will most likely continue to grow. An estimated 11 million people were affected by Haiyan when it struck on Friday. Now, in terms of donations here locally, you can go to the Filipino Seventh-day Adventist Church in Oxon Hill from 9:30 to 3 in the afternoon on Friday to drop off whatever you may have.
Police are still investigating a fiery scene that left one person unidentifiable when their car caught fire on Brockbridge Road in Laurel yesterday afternoon. Fire and EMS crews received an alert at 1 p.m. saying there had been a single car accident and that the vehicle was in flames. When the rescue crew arrived at the scene, they found a dead body. An autopsy will have to be done for identification. Police are still gathering information, but at this point, they say they believe that it was a tragic auto accident.
2 people are stabbed after an altercation at a Montgomery Mall parking garage. It happened just after 2 this afternoon. Police say there was a car collision inside of the garage, which then led to at least 3 people arguing. 2 victims were stabbed and received other injuries as well. A suspect is in custody. The victims were taken to the hospital. Their conditions at this time are unknown.